Hello, hello, and welcome back. This is Robin Norgren, and I am in the middle of a series called, you want to know about herbal medicine? How do you even start? There are things in your kitchen you can use right now, but what does that mean? And how do I do it in a way that it goes from simply being a seasoning to being an actual herbal medicine that can help you and your loved ones? Well, welcome back. I am now on seasoning number 5 out of 9. This one is called ginger. All right, let's go. I always start with a synopsis. What am I doing? I am reading through a book called Rosemary Gladstar's Medicinal Herbs, A Beginner's Guide, and she has laid this out very beautifully. I'm so pleased with this purchase. I can definitely say that the way she's laid it out has made me excited, interested, and also willing to give this a try. So stay with me if this is of interest to you. All right, we're going to talk today about ginger, and this is what she writes. Another of our kitchen medicine miracles, ginger runs a close second to garlic in versatility and popularity, both culinarily and medicinally. It's a tasty remedy, so people are more willing to use it. I often mix ginger with less tasty medicinals to make them more appealing. And ginger is highly regarded as a medicinal herb. It is an effective remedy for cramps, nausea, morning sickness, and motion sickness. When they were teenagers, I was talking about her twin daughters, found it quite effective for the occasional menstrual cramps they would experience, and they soon turned their friends onto it. Hot ginger honey tea was their favorite remedy. While I can generally convince my husband to try anything, he's especially fond of the hot ginger balls. We'll have to look at that, huh? Which he uses ardently to calm the motion sickness that often plagues him when he's deep-sea fishing. Ginger is also wonderfully warming and decongesting. Hot ginger tea with lemon and honey and a couple of cold care capsules is often all it takes to activate the immune system. All right, here's how it's grown. Ginger, a native of Asia, thrives in hot, humid environments in rich, moist soil. I grow ginger year-round in my sunroom, usually starting it from ginger that is sprouted in my kitchen, but the plant goes dormant in the cooler, drier winter temperatures. Planting pieces of rhizome with a growing nub or two attached just under the soil. Don't plant deeply or the rhizome will rot. Water frequently, keep the soil moist, give it plenty of sunshine, and your ginger will thrive. Generally, rhizomes are ready to harvest in 8 to 10 months. Okay, so this is what ginger looks like in the raw. Okay. And then this says, versatile and tasty, the large fleshly rhizome of ginger is both a culinary delight and effective medicine for a variety of common illnesses. And this is what we are probably used to seeing it as. Okay. So that part is called the rhizome. Okay, so the medicinal uses, which is what we're here for. Ginger contains a proteolytic enzyme that has been shown to reduce inflammation and help repair damaged joints and cartilage tissue. No wonder it's been a long time favorite for treating arthritis and joint pain. It improves circulation in the pelvis and is often a main ingredient in reproductive tonics for men and women and in formulas for menstrual cramps and PMS. Numerous studies confirm that ginger lowers blood level triglycerides linked to diabetes and heart disease. You guys, ginger. Several clinical studies find ginger more effective than over-the-counter medications for nausea, motion sickness, and seasickness. Well, listen to this. I haven't mentioned this. My daughter, after she, in her later years, her childhood, she's now a woman, she has had issues with driving in a car. It has been very interesting that she has, didn't have an issue when she was younger, but as she's gotten older, she's had a real issue with this. So we're definitely going to pay attention to that because, wow, that would be revolutionary for her life if this is something she could use. All right, clinical studies also show that ginger rivals anti-nausea drugs for chemotherapy without their side effects. Its antiseptic properties make ginger highly effective for treating gastrointestinal infections, and it's used in formulas for food poisoning. It is a popular warming, decongesting herb used for cold type imbalances such as poor circulation, colds and flus, respiratory congestion, and sore throat. Well, again, these are like superfoods, right? Superfoods. Okay, so here's just one safety factor. A popular culinary herb used by millions of people, ginger has no known negative side effects. Listen to that. All right, so here's a couple recipes that she's put in the book. Ginger lemonade, a fabulous herbal remedy for cramps, cold, congestion, and fevers. You can use bottled lemon juice, but because it's been heated in the bottling process, much of what is good about lemons has been cooked out. I use bottled lemon juice occasionally for cooking when I'm in a hurry or don't have lemons in hand, but for medicinal purposes, fresh lemons are the way to go. Okay, so this lemonade is made with 4 to 6 tablespoons of freshly grated ginger root, something I have not done before. Probably need to do a video on it. 1 to 2 lemons, and then honey to taste. Okay, so there's that. There's also a ginger syrup. And then we would use this for colds, stomach cramps, menstrual discomfort. The hot ginger balls. These are used to calm an upset stomach, motion, or seasickness. These are made with ginger root powder, carob or unsweetened cocoa powder. I actually have this in my pantry right now. Cinnamon powder and honey. So the only thing I need to get is a ginger root powder. Okay. That seems super interesting. Okay, so you roll these into pea-sized balls, let dry at room temperature or in a dehydrator, store in a glass jar with a tight-fitting lid, keep in a cool, dark location. These little balls will keep 3 to 4 weeks, and they'll keep longer if stored in the refrigerator. All right, this is worth trying. All right, you guys. So as always, I am so excited. Every time I read a bit more, I'm more interested. So I'd like to know your thoughts on this. What have you used ginger for? Do you have some recipes that you can put down below? Do you have any I don't know, celebratory stories of how ginger has really helped you? Please share them in the comments below. I really want this to be a place where we can get to know each other in the newbie phase. So please, anybody who's commenting, remember, I am a newbie and I'm stepping out here being the face of all those who are probably pretending they know things they don't know. But here we are. We're trying to learn together. We're starting with the basics, and we'll keep going with it, and we'll see where this takes us. All right. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share it with a friend, subscribe if you'd like. I produce videos 2 times a week. Thanks for stopping by.